Good morning, sir. This is Tricomputer here. Normally, I have taken LinkedIn for the one of the URL for the link related this one. So I'll show you how I have taken all the links in this page, how to display it, as well as how to click on a specific this particular link. I have just coded a little bit. I have taken it. So this is linkedin.com. I've imported the same browser, and here I have made a variable link A, and with AHREF tag normally it is we have given a tag name, find element by tag name, that is A. And here the number of present, the length, and this particular link, whatever it's AHREF, it is stored here. And after that the links, this is for links. If it is, it will display store it here and print the link.txt. So and this is the driver. Normally on click on jobs page, after landing to the page, after getting all these links, normally it will process to jobs page. Let me run it and show it. So opening the page, this I have not used maximize window. Page is loaded. Now this has taken all the links available on this page. The process is finished and this jobs page is opened here. So this is for this section, sir. Thank you.